Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use voice typing on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it. So I made this cool Notion page. The first thing you want to do is open a text box. Let's open Notepad. Now to enable voice typing, press the Windows key, press H. So this will come up. And as you can see, by default, it will type out what I'm saying. You can change here. You can go to automatic punctuation. You can set the default mic, etc., etc., etc. You can also say things like period. You can say comma, and it will write the period and the comma. Okay. So you can also say new line. We'll make a new line. And delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Okay, well that should erase the last text you entered. Now pause or stop voice typing. So press this or just stop and it will automatically stop typing. Or just press the Windows key, press H. Troubleshooting, if it's not working, go to Settings, System Sound and check your microphone settings. And update your microphone driver versus device manager. And that is it. If this helped you, leave the video a like. And if this didn't help you, leave the video a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you.